channel.
Hello kids, today we are going to revise all the sounds of the first group. Are you all ready? Let's start.
Snake.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Ant.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm.
Tennis.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Ink.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Puff.
Puff found the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff found the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Net.
Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise.
I hope all the sounds are crystal clear in your mind. Now let's blend the sounds. S, ah, sa. P, ah, pa. N, I, ni. P, I, P. T, a, da. Wow, you have done a great job. Now let's try and blend three-letter words together. S, I, P, sip. P, a, pan. S, I, t, sit. P, I, pin. A, p, nap. T, a, tan. Excellent. Now let's do an activity. Match the picture with the beginning sound. P, p, pencil. P, p, pencil. T, t, tap. T, t, tap. S, s, sun. S, s, sun. A, apple. A, apple. I, igloo. I, igloo.
Thank you for watching.